My name is Paul Smith. I'm the head of after sales for the Mercedes-Benz division of Motus. So we're in Witham, and this is our new Mercedes-Benz truck and van after sales centre. So we've chosen Witham. It's on the A12. And this is a trunk road that comes straight out of Harwich and Felixstowe docks, and the road goes right the way into the M25 and London. So probably the best location you could have for the commercial site in Essex. This area is represented by all of the other commercial brands with the exception of Mercedes-Benz, so we thought that this was an ideal place for us to put the new site. So it's a 3-acre site and a 2,500 square metre building, and in the building we'll have 9 truck bays. So we've got 2 bays which have got 22 metre length pits. We've got 2 flat bays where we'll have mobile lifters so we can get all types of vehicles into there. Another bay which will have ATF preparation all ready to be able to do testing. And then the final bay, is for our wash facility for the vehicles. We will have 8 bays for van, which will consist of 6.5 tonne 2-post lifts, and then we'll have class 4, 5 and 7 MOT facility for van as well. We have a 7,000 square feet parts department, and this is going to be our trade hub. So we'll be providing trade parts out of Witham across all of Essex, Suffolk and the surrounding areas. So the team on site have got great passion and enthusiasm to get this site delivered on the timescale. So we're really in a good place now, and we're looking to be in by December 2021.